Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add Telegram chat to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with little widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Telegram chat. So go to right up corner, sign up for free. You want to sign in your email, password, normal mail, up to you. And when you got it, click login. When you're gonna click login, you're gonna have applications here. And in a search, you just want to write Telegram, and you're going to have it here, Telegram chat. So let's create a widget. Now we want to simply choose like which one you actually want. I'm going to leave with this one, but you can choose like support, booking, etc. And now to go further, you need to add your Telegram account. Pretty simple. Then go to top right corner to the save. And when you got it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now it's really simple. You just wanna simply click add, empt, custom empt widget. Make it bigger. Enter the code here, paste the code that we copied. And voila, here we have it. So right click on it, pin to screen, and go to right bottom corner and change the horizontal offset. And voila, when I'm going to preview the website, I have it right here. Beautiful Telegram chat that people can actually message to. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. I definitely recommend check all the other applications in the website if you can find other useful. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.